Anyway, are you in need of some home improvement ideas? Because I know I am. Our next guest is showing us how we can make our own decor on the cheap.
I like that.
Even better yet.
Even better yet. Rob Rivera calls himself the Dollar Tree MacGyver on his TikTok channel on the cheap tip, and he shows off his easy and inexpensive do-it-yourself projects. Thank the sweet baby Jesus.
Yeah.
We're finally getting to meet this man in the flesh. Hello, my darling.
How
It's
are you?
been a dog's age. We've only met
worked
through
together.
Through the pandemic,
Through the
we
pandy.
worked
Right.
on segments, but never met in the flesh, finally.
Flesh,
See?
yeah.
My
These are
sister
real
from
people.
another mister.
Sister
There
from
you-
another man.
I
He
can believe
does
that.
DIY, but he's also very fit. I mean, there's a whole
I do
situation.
a lot of
There's a
stuff.
lot going
I'm
on.
multi-talented.
This is just
you know.
one level we're going to scratch the surface of today.
Exactly.
Chris Cimino
I
is
gotcha.
very amazed at all this witchcraft.
How is it?
Yeah.
But how does one get started in doing DIY? Is it necessity is the mother of invention?
Yeah, you know, well, I come from a very working class family in New Jersey, and we didn't have a lot of money to get the new thing, so my parents taught me, use what you got and make it your own. And that's my motto for life. You
Yeah.
don't need a lot of money to have style.
Right.
I love this idea.
I agree 100%. So first up here, I guess we're looking at what? A
A
centerpiece?
centerpiece. So we have the holidays coming along, right? We want to show off our holiday decorations, but we also want to show off our style. So why not do it with the centerpiece? That's the focal point of your table. So what we're going to do, and all of the products you see here are from the Dollar Tree. We're not sponsored, but hook a brother up, Dollar Tree.
There you go.
And we're going to go,
Well.
and we're going to get a clear glass bowl and a clear glass drinking glass.
Oh, I see what you've done
Yes. And
Yeah,
then,
oh my gosh, the
didn't
light
see it
bulb
from
just
that
went
angle.
light
off.
bulb
I was
went
looking
off.
from this
Oh
angle.
my gosh, I'm gonna move to this side.
Oh, sure.
I'm used to
You go.
Marisol usually being the centerpiece of a table.
So we're going to take some industrial strength glue. You can get this anywhere. We're going to flip over our glass. We're going to just place it on top, and then we place this on here, and it changes the entire look.
Oh my
You
gosh.
let this set for a few hours. Pop a candle in there. You can do a little bit of
Shimmer.
beautiful. for the
And these are
holidays.
probably like 99 cents.
99 cents from the Dollar Tree. You can see you can do them different levels. So I have one that's a little shorter, one that's a little taller. You could use these for weddings if you're on a budget. You could put
Unbelievable.
flowers in it. You could put lower ones. And they change with the seasons because they're clear. You can put pine cones. You could put leaves.
Oh,
well, I don't know
right.
if
So you
put
could
leaves, but-
keep the actual vessel and
Right.
then change it
Just
depending on the
Exact-
season.
Depending on the season.
Marisol, just don't use your McDonald's glass because we'll give it away. It's just, this looks classy this way.
So
From this to a chandelier.
a chandelier.
Stop
So,
it.
well, speaking of the dining room table, right?
Yes.
The most quintessential thing we think of is the chandelier, but we don't have a lot of money to spend. You don't have hundreds to $1,000
No.
to spend because
No.
we cheap over
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go head over to
Harry
the
used to
Dollar
say
Tree again.
frugal.
Thrifty or frugal. You're
A
not
little,
cheap.
a little frugal, a little frugal. So I'm going to grab a regular wire wreath. This is just to make.
Oh, to make a wreath?
Yeah, to make
Okay,
a wreath.
this
And
is
then you're going to get
framing.
a bicycle wire wreath. So you see it has the hole. So this is going to be the top to hang off a pendant. And then this is going to be your bottom.
Never would've guessed.
And yeah, super simple, right? And then crazy, I know. But
No,
we're going
that is
to
not a
grab
tub thing.
A bath mat. Yes, a clear bath mat.
That's what this is.
That's what this
Stop
is.
it
And we're
right
going to
now.
take some very thin wire, right? So I have the wire here, and we're going to cut this down to size and twisty tie this all the way around to the top,
Until
all
you
the
have
way around to the bottom. And
this.
then you have this beautiful chandelier. Let's get it in the frame there.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And when the light is
Yeah.
on this, as long as no one's touching it,
Right, it's
they're gonna
okay.
think it's glass.
Right.
You know, it's very
I got this in Italy, it's Murano.
Yeah, right.
exactly.
But then
Oh,
you,
just
but
came
then
in.
you do need someone who knows their way around a light bulb and the electrical part of that business.
No,
Oh.
because
No.
all you need to do is get one of those light sockets that plug right in. They're like an extension cord.
And
Plugs
then-
right in.
Oh,
Hook,
so
put
you
a
don't have to
little
get anything
hook,
cued into the fixture
pop
in the
this
ceiling.
on top,
Gotcha.
you all good.
I'm going to put this in your dressing room. Merry Christmas.
I'll wear it as a and I'll wear it as a party hat for New Year's as well. But that's cool. That's really cool.
Thank you.
This is
And
the
it really
bath
does.
mat.
It-
I was wondering what this was. It's a bath
It
mat.
really does. It's reminiscent of like Frank Sinatra, mid-century modern.
It has that, yeah.
And then
Yeah,
you
it
can
has a
spray
nice
paint
deco.
the
Spray paint,
wire if
yes,
you
I
want.
forgot to say. You can spray paint the
wire.
wires any color you want. I
Gold,
usually use a
white.
metallic like a gold
Sure.
or a silver to, you know, stay within the
Class it
chandelier.
up.
All right.
Classy.
This is
Cimino,
my
this
favorite
was
looking
his
thing.
favorite.
This drew me.
This-
Let's dance.
Well, this is let's dance
gonna
again.
dance.
So this is for the modern rustic person, right? So
Oh, that's me. He knows me.
everything is geo right now. Everything. Geometrical this, geometrical that. So we are going to create a geometrical wood shelf out of these just
Those are cute little
crates.
boxes.
They're just crates.
I call them from the Barbie dream house. It looked like something I would have put in the Barbie dream
Yeah,
house. I
yeah.
love
You
it.
could. I'm sure you can create a Barbie dream house with it.
So would you buy these like in a pack of 4 or
You
they're
just
individuals?
no,
or?
you buy them individual. They're like $1.25 each at the Dollar Tree. Once again, so all you're going to do is you're going to take that industrial glue. It's going to be hard to reach over.
Same one that we used in the...
Exactly. I'm going to do this up and down pattern and glue them to each other. Right? You can make as many as you want. Make different rows. Glue them together. As big as you could do a whole wall. Then you stain it any color, you could paint it, and then you have a really cool like shelf. You can put little succulent plants
I
on, see
love
like this.
this.
And you put it right on the shelf, put it right on the wall.
Done.
It's amazing and done. You know
I
what
want
I
to
mean?
live in there. It looks like a super cool apartment building.
That's what she was
I'm
saying.
telling you.
That's
I'm
what she was
telling you,
saying.
There's a
this is
rooftop deck. We can
gorgeous.
party out there.
This witchcraft is exactly what we need on a cold Tuesday morning.
Well, you're happy to have me back anytime you want.
We are
It's
happy.
11. If you're hiring, hello, call me. I will be here every
shameless
month.
plug. I am here for the shameless plug.
I am here, and watch more DIYs on the Cheap Tip on TikTok.
Okay.
I think
now
Shameless
we
is his
gotta
middle
plug.
name at this point.
Yes, for more DIY decor inspiration, follow Rob on TikTok and Instagram at On The Cheap Tip. Mwah. Thank
Great
you so
job.
much.
Thank you,
Good stuff
guys.
here.